Good morning from Missouri. Vayu. Arms up on an inhale. Draw the energy current in on an exhale. Arms up on an inhale. Draw the energy current in on an exhale. One more time. Up and draw the energy current in. So now lift up. Udana Vayu. Come up into the ball of your feet. Come down. We're moving the energy around. Exhale. Third time. Exhale. Widen your feet and stir the energy up by pretending you're an archer and pulling in that bow and arrow. Moving the energy around. Now we're distributing the energy throughout our body. Lean over a little bit, place your hands on your thighs, Samana Vayu, processing the energy. Yeah, moving that energy around. And last one is Apana Vayu, drawing the energy down by sliding your hands down your thighs, going into a forward fold. Relax your head, neck, and shoulders. Draw it back up, lengthening your spine. Go back down. One last time, up and down. That's the way to keep your energy moving when you're on the road. Namaste. This is